Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turn this straight rod into a perfect curve. To do this, I use this homemade tool called a roller bender, which can be easily built using simple workshop materials. If you want to see how I built this handy tool, make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. To start, I'm using 2 equal pieces of 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 steel square tubing. I've cut them to 150 millimeters based on my needs, but you can adjust the size to fit your project. To ensure precise hole placement, I tack weld them together along the edges. The most important part of this build is drilling precise holes in the tubing. We need a total of 5 12 millimeters holes, 3 for mounting the rollers and 2 for the guide shafts. To make sure everything is accurate, I first mark the points with a ruler, then use the center punch before drilling. If you're working on a DIY metal project and struggling to find the right parts, JLCMC has nearly 600,000 products, from hardware and mechanical parts to electronics and automation components. They focus on making quality parts more affordable by cutting costs and driving innovation in mechatronics. Need something custom? Their customization service saves you time and money, and with fast worldwide shipping, you'll get your parts quickly. Plus, new users get a $19 coupon just for signing up. So if you're gearing up for your next project, check out JLCMC.com. Click the link in the description. After drilling the holes, I cut off the tack welds I made earlier. Now, I'm cutting 210 millimeters pieces of 12 millimeters diameter round bar and welding them to one of the tubing sections as guide shafts. The rest of the materials you need to build this tool are 6 bearings, 3 bolts and nuts, a piece of steel for the handle, and this part, which is actually a machined piece of this pipe. It will serve as the connection between the handle and the tool's roller. And now, let's start assembling these parts. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps a lot. As you can see, our roller bender is easily assembled. Now let's test it out.